Hi guys, if you want to use ChatGPT at ease without typing on the keyboard, well stick around because I'll show you the step-by-step process on how to use ChatGPT's voice mode for hands-free interaction. Now, in the homepage of your ChatGPT, click the profile icon at the top right corner, then select Settings. Now, in the Settings section, just tap Speech, then you'll navigate the voice area. You can also change the voice whatever you like, either a female or male. Then after that, just tap the X button. Now, in the chat area, just tap the Use Voice Mode. And there you go, you already enable the voice mode in ChatGPT. And if you like this video, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing for more updates.